Welcome to the Advanced eSort Interface tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to break down the graphics viewer, the menu toolbar, and the advanced features of the Bible and commentary views. There are a lot of things I need to go over, so I'm going to move kind of quickly. This icon is where you can see any maps that you have downloaded and installed from esort.net. Inside the graphic viewer, you can see different maps. There are many maps online to choose from. I only happen to have 3 installed at the moment. On the toolbar, you can zoom in, zoom out, and fit all, which will default the map back to the original size. Fit height and fit width. If you hover your cursor over the map, it will change into a hand which you can use to click and drag the map around the screen. Over on the right side is where you can select different maps under this map tab. And below you can read a short description of the map. To close the maps, click the X. Now I'm going to cover the important menu choices that are in the toolbar. Under File are New, Open, Import, Export, and Exit. The New and Open commands are for creating and opening both topic notes and study notes. I like to refer to the topic notes as studies and the study notes as notes. So if you hear me say these things, don't get confused. Okay, let's say that I want to make a new topic notes file for studying with. With the Topic Notes tab selected, I go to the File command and click New. Next, I would enter in a name for this file and click Save. If I click the drop-down arrow at the bottom of the commentary view, it will show up here as a new selection. If I want to create a new study notes file, it works the same way. I first select the Notes tab, and I go to the File command and select New, and then I type in a name and click Save. The Open command will show the same window, except that this will give you the option of opening a different saved topic note or study note file. The Notes tab that you have selected in the commentary view determines the file that you will be able to open. The Import feature is used to import external text, rich text, web text, or Word document files into your topic notes or study notes. Export will export your studies and notes into a text, rich text format, web page, etc. And finally, Exit will close the program. Under Edit are basic Windows functions: undo, redo, cut, copy and paste, clear, select all, find, replace, spelling, and thesaurus. Most of these functions are self-explanatory. Primarily, these commands are used in topic and study notes. I usually use the right mouse button to copy, cut, and paste. As you can see here, undo and redo, clear and select all, find, replace, and spelling and thesaurus are all under the right mouse button. The find and replace functions are useful when I have a large study and I need to find certain scripture tooltips throughout the pages. The find function is also available here in the commentary view, and this is where I mostly use it. Under Format are Font, Paragraph, Bullets and Numbering, Decrease Indent, Increase Indent, and Scripture Tooltip. All of these functions once again affect only the topic note and study notes, and since they are found in the commentary toolbar, I never use them here. Once you click on Font, Paragraph, or Bullets and Numbering, it will open a window where you can select different fonts, styles, and sizes. Under Paragraph, you can change your alignment your indentations, and under bullets and numbering, you can select what style of outline you want to use. If you notice down in the commentary section, these functions are listed as icons and are much easier to use and locate. I'll go into greater detail about these functions in the commentary section. Under Bible are Gospel Harmony, Search, Extended Search, Verse List, Move to Previous Chapter, Move to Next Chapter, Move to Previous Verse, Move to Next Verse, Copy Verses, Print Verses, Analyze Verses, Highlight and Mark, Markup File, and Information. Starting at Gospel Harmony. This is a handy feature that puts all 4 Gospels in chronological order. First, change the Bible translation that you want to work with. Then click the arrow and select a number representing the subject of the Gospels. If you choose a subject that is written in more than one of the Gospels, then you can examine them in sync with each other. Click OK to close. Next are the Search and Extended Search features. The search function is used to find verses in the Bible by using keywords. For example, you need to search for a verse but you don't remember where it was in the Bible. Well, by typing a word or set of words, you can find it. To locate it, type some words in the box and set your parameters. I want to find a verse about fearing God, so I'll type in Fear God and click Search. If you notice, it finds 107 results. You scroll through the list and find the one you want. I like to use the arrow keys to scroll through the list. If there are too many verses, you can narrow your search to fine-tune your results by changing the parameters. You do this by clicking Old or New Testament, or the specific book you think the word might be in. Since I think it was in Deuteronomy, I'll select those as my options. Also, you have the option of it being case sensitive. Then I'll scroll down the list, and here it is, Deuteronomy 8:6. If you select the partial match box, it will also find a part of the word inside of another bigger word that has that word in it. For example, fear will show up inside of fearing and feared. Now you can see that there are 141 verses. This is because of the extra leniency of this parameter. The extended search works the same way, except that you have the option of adding additional Bibles into your search. Next is the verse list feature. This will allow you to add all the verses that eSword found in the search into a list to be saved for future use. Click on the verse list icon and all the verses are copied into a list with checkboxes. Down below is the verse in text form. Any of the verses that you don't want, you can uncheck the box and it won't be added. If you want the default name, then click the OK button or give it a different name if you choose. You can also add it to another list if you have one previously saved. Just click the arrow and select one from the list and click OK.